and today Ate and we are gonna play Among Us in Roblox. Let's start. Go, slowly. I see red. So loading. Oh, you're lagging? You're lagging? You could not see the picture first. Later, it could be it, and you could see. Look, it's gonna get. It's still loading. It's still loading. It's still loading. But I like the spaceship. Oh. I'm a yellow ghost. Nothing happened, but I'm not a ghost at all. I have to try again. I have to try again to sleep. Oh. Go, stop. Wait. Oh my, their tablet is wrong. You have been crashed. I don't know that you have crashed. Why have been crashed? And somebody, how is the imposter? I think no, I could not vote. No, I hope I could vote, or I'm still a ghost. I guess I'm gonna be a ghost. 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Somebody get it. Somebody else. Who is gonna get food? Oh, there's no imposter. No. Do not leave. How could leave? No. Yes. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna just try again it. We could just try again. But it's okay to try again, guys. He sits among us for spaceship. Among us. You have to find out who is the imposter. What is that? Wait, how did I turn green? How to turn purple? Brown. How about this? My outfit is on this. And I look like a dog. See? And I look like a dog. I looks like a dog. Oh. It's Among Us time. It's done. Okay, there's 2 imposters. No, why they're leaving me? No, I'll not leave. Okay, it's okay now. I just try again it. Now you would be perfectly. Okay, am I a dog? No! I'm not a dog. No! Don't leave me! I do not know to leave you. How did I leave you? Not gonna leave at always now. Don't leave me, my friends. Dang it. How I turn white? Don't leave me, everybody. Because I'm just a ghost. Ghost is kawawa. Am I the pink poster? No. I definitely I have to follow it. There you go. What? I have to be not a ghost. You have to follow this. Oh my, I thought it's me. Was not the imposter. Round 1. There you go. Ching ching, butchi butchi butchi. No, get the wrong spot. You're going in there. Oh, I don't know how the tasks. How should I do the tasks? There's no flashlight. Now I'll get it wind. No, pink. I'm just doing multitasks. Wait, somebody's just cheating a. It was nothing. Oh, they have too much. Pink had black. Okay. Green had been throated. Not imposter. Round 1 again. Time for skiing. Just a ski. Oh, 6. I thought it's 3. It's inverted. I was 5. That's I kept really lasted. What is this? Let me follow this. No green. I said you green, you're dead. Bad green. Why green? You're also bad and pink. You're inverted bad kid. Oh. I cannot vote. That's why is it. Oh, somebody's just cheating. Super duper cheat. How did everybody quit? What is that? Oh no, never mind. Oh my! Why they're cheating pink? Round 1 again? No! I don't like round 1. I like round 2. And let me now follow this. Wait. What is it? There you go. I see the flashlights. Someone. What color? I like brown. And I like this. A doggy. Because I like always dogs. Am I right? Looks like it's for the Christmas. Or it looks like for the dogs, you know. I like it. Do you want to get hot? Oh. Do you want to get hot on? No, leave. Why do you always leave me? Don't leave me. Don't leave me, you guys. Maybe I haven't fooled. They are so bad to leave me. Bye guys, see you later. Thank you for watching my Luis video. Bye.